This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Woodard. Beautiful townhouse built by recent COVA magazine's best home builder EDC Homes. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, attached 2-car garage, open floor plan with 9-foot ceilings throughout the house. James Hardie Plank siding, Pella Windows, soft close cabinets and granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms, stainless steel appliances, LVP flooring and stain-resistant carpet, ceramic tile in primary ensuite shower. Only 2 blocks to the beach, near Little Creek Amphibious Base. Local restaurants and marinas, you can launch your kayak in minutes. Not all features are standard. No flood insurance is required. December 27, 2024. For more information, review the details below.